Welcome to the Painting Drawings video tutorial, created to show you the basics about the painting techniques. For this tutorial, we will use the BTLV level. We can select and drag it from the file browser to the scene-cast to make it available in the scene. Moving to the ink and paint room, we will find the BTLV level visualized in the main viewer and in the level strip. The relevant palette, previously created, is displayed in the palette viewer. The main tool for painting a TLB level is the Fill tool. Clicking on the Fill icon on the toolbar, we will see all the fill parameters appearing in the tool option bar. Options available for the Fill tool can help you to speed up the painting job. Among these options, let's see the most useful. The type of fill can be set to normal, rectangular, freehand or polyline, while the mode can be set to areas, lines or lines and areas. Note that the colors of the palette have been already named to help in the painting process. Let's start painting the first drawing using normal type and areas mode. Using this method, we can paint the bigger and well-defined areas of the drawing. Select the color in the palette viewer and click in the area where you want to apply it. Repeat this operation for all the drawing's areas. To paint the more critical areas, we can just switch to rectangular mode and deactivate the selective option to avoid painting the already painted areas. The first drawing is painted. Let's check if all the areas are properly filled using the transparency check option. All the areas are displayed in gray, while the lines are displayed in black. These colors can be modified into the File Preferences Transparency Check tab. Well, all the areas of the first drawing are properly painted. Analyzing the following drawing, we can see that the characters doesn't move too much in the first 5 frames. In these conditions, we can speed up the painting process using the rectangular onion skin option. Activate the relative onion skin on the level strip, clicking on the cursor, keeping it activated only for the previous drawing. Activate the onion skin checkbox in the tool option bar. Now, the already painted drawing is shown in the viewer behind the current one. Drag a rectangle that includes the wool character to keep the colors from the first drawing and to apply them to the current one. Repeat these steps for the next 4 frames. This way, the first 5 drawings of the sequence will be painted very quickly. Just a few little adjustments are necessary. Click on the cursor and on the tool option bar checkbox to switch off the onion skin. Use the rectangular or the freehand type to fill the little gaps. To go ahead with the painting process, we can use the frame range option together with the normal type. Select the hair color in the palette, click in the hair area of the drawing 6. Select the last frame in the level strip and click in the hair area again. The character's hairs from frame 6 to 10 will be automatically painted. Repeat these steps for the other areas, such as face, hat, coat, etc. The frame range option can be also active together with the rectangular type. Let's paint the shoes using this configuration. Once the painting process is finished, it is possible to check the wool level, activating the transparency check again and playing the sequence into the main viewer. To save the painted level, use the file save level command or drag it from the screencast to the browser. Note that if you save the scene, the contained levels will be automatically saved. Thanks for your attention and see you on the next video tutorial.